My name is Turkissa Wilson, and I just quickly want to share with you how you can build up your stockpile of ribbon for your gift baskets. Now, if you are into gift baskets or just starting out and you're on a tight budget or just simply just don't have a lot of money to spend on ribbon, I want to share a solution with you where you can still get a lot of ribbon for dirt cheap. You guys can check out Facebook Marketplace and see what they are offering. You can get brand new rolls of ribbon. People are selling their ribbon because they're moving or they simply just don't have enough time to be working on their crafts anymore. You guys, I highly recommend it. You want to make sure you ask questions like if it's a pet-free home, if it's a smoke-free home. That right there is very, very, very important because back in the day, I'm going to tell you a story. Back in the day, I had got a lot of ribbon from this lady. We drove, at the time I was married, we drove so far out to get all of that ribbon. I mean, it was so much ribbon. I was so happy. I wasn't asking questions. I wasn't really paying attention. So I purchased the ribbon, got it all the way back home. And you guys, I wound up having to throw it all away because it smelled like smoke and I couldn't use it. So I had to throw it all away. So make sure you ask questions, you guys. Make sure you ask questions. You check out what you're purchasing before you buy it, all right? So with that being said, let's continue. So I just want to show you what, just the idea, okay? So all this ribbon, let's take a look in the bag so you can see. Okay. Look. There you go. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look over here. Okay. And then you got your little accessories. I don't know as far as what to do with these clips, but I'm going to make it work. All right. And then also would like to talk to you about ribbon that you don't even want. Like if you did purchase a lot of ribbon and there's some that because I'm not, you're not going to rock with. I mean, maybe you are, but, in this particular case, if you're not going to rock with the Halloween, you can easily resell it or give it away to somebody you know. Or another thing that you can probably do is, okay, so this is a Halloween, but you can still use it because if you flip it over, it's a solid. So if you like wrap it around one of your baskets or something like that, it's a solid color. You can't even tell that it was a Halloween themed ribbon, right? So I just want to throw that out there. Again, I hope I helped somebody with this video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.